Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your link works on mobile and is HTTPS. This prevents redirect errors in shorts. Once done, shorten or add UTM tags so you can track clicks and fit limited space. Make sure you have a clear one-line call to action and a thumbnail or first frame visual that matches the link. You'll use these immediately when editing the short, so prepare them now to keep the workflow fast and avoid backtracking later. You upload the short and tap the add link control available for eligible creators. Follow prompts to paste your prepared URL and confirm. While you're here, place a short CTA in the description and pin a comment with the same link so viewers on mobile can tap. If your channel qualifies, add a YouTube card or end screen that directs to longer content or a landing page. This gives viewers multiple, consistent touchpoints to follow your link. You publish the short and immediately test the link on phone and desktop to confirm it opens correctly. This avoids losing early engagement. If YouTube blocks the URL, switch to a trusted shortener or an alternate domain and resubmit. Some domains trigger automated filters. Make sure to monitor click metrics and tweak your one-line CTA or comment placement if you see low conversion. If problems persist, remove and re-add the link.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.